governor in Osun suspend the activities of our union, which they don't have that power. No any single state governor has power to suspend the activities of the union, because we are not under any state. There is a act that established the NURTW. We have one series of the case. I know in Oyo, recently, in Lagos, in so many states, they turned the deaf ear to our appeal. But that notwithstanding, the issue at stake is not that issue. What is paramount to us is to have our leadership on ground. Most especially, we have MOU with INEC, of which I was in INEC yesterday, based on the directive of the president of our union. So, in view of this, we have to inaugurate the caretaker member who are to mount the leadership of the NURTW pending the time we resolve all issues attached to Osun. And inform you that these are the leadership that will be leading our union activities in Osun. First, the chairman is Alhaji Kasim Olawale. Oyewale. Kasim Oyewale, please stand up. Lukman Ahmed, treasurer. Ismaila Abdurrahim, member. Adebayo Tajuddin, member. Tajuddin Hakim, member. And Abdul Wahab Maruf Dodo, assistant secretary. We have a substantive secretary in Osun before, and he's still loyal to the union. He is Comrade Sunday Bumi Oludari. Having said this, I will now invite the state, our Deputy General Secretary, to come and do the swearing for them, so that they will be living for Osun.
We met in Osun State Council of our great union, and for the fact that the state chairman is nowhere to be found, as at the moment, at the executive, and in line with the constitution of our great union, there must not be any vacuum. In view of that, I am using this opportunity with the authority vested in me to inaugurate a caretaker committee to take charge of the administration of the State Council, pending when all the lingering issues are resolved. On that note, on behalf of the president of our great union, Alhaji Sliu Akesoya Inde, alias MC Oluomo, and the general secretary, Comrade Kayode Agboyagi, who are not here with us. They are out of town for official assignment. On that note, I hereby proceed. I must not fail to recognize the presence of the Deputy President of our great union, Alhaji Comrade Issa Ore, who is representing the President of this great union. Name has been mentioned.
Yes, yes.
This is oath of office of the 7-man committee to man the affairs of the union in Osun State for the meantime. You follow me as I read. Raise the right hand. I, Comrade, mention your name. Swear by the Almighty God as
Your position.
Caretaker Committee, Osun State Council of NURTW, I shall uphold and defend the Constitution of the Union at all times.
Uphold and defend the Constitution of the Union at all times.
Render honest, impartial, and efficient services to the Union.
Render honest, impartial, and efficient service to the Union.
Serve as an effective link between the Union and its members.
Serve as an effective link between the Union and its members.
Obey all lawful instructions in the discharge of Union functions.
Obey all lawful instructions in the discharge of the Union functions.
Put the interest of the Union above personal interest in the conduct of the Union affairs.
Put the interest of the Union above personal interests and conduct of the Union affairs.
Render a true account of my stewardship to the members of the Union.
And when the occasion arises.
Abide by the majority decision. And respect the rights of minority. So help us God.
When you are here, you know NURTW. Today, when the motor park fail to recognize their, please uphold the rule and regulation of the state government.
Forever, for the Union makes us strong. Solidarity forever, for the Union makes us strong.
If possible, come one méje. Olùdarí fẹ́ sí ẹ ṣáàjẹlé yọ lọ náà kò sí a lè fi kún.
The chair. Strong man. Congrats.
Acceptance
Acceptance speech.